Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the 4 steps you need to get a great pull-up. The pull-up is a fantastic exercise which works your whole body. It has a huge emphasis on the back, and it's a staple strength move. Step by step, I'm going to show you the progression I would use from not being able to do one pull-up to being able to do 5, 10, and maybe even 20 or more. As with most things, it's important to start with a great foundation. And these progressions are going to get you there. So the first one is the hang. The second one is the scapular retraction. Third one are eccentric pull-ups. And the fourth one is banded pull-ups. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a set and rep scheme so you know exactly what to do with these progressions by the end. Now let's get into more detail with some of these. Okay, so first is the hang. The hang is a completely invaluable first step. If you skip this, you're going to miss out on a lot of the benefits. This move really opens up the shoulder joints and helps prevent injury later on. It also gets you used to just holding onto the bar if that's new to you. If this feels too much at first, you're free to stand on a chair, table, or a box, wherever you got lying around. Then slowly you're going to lift one leg at a time until you're just hanging in midair. You should perform this move with an overhand grip. The next move is the scapular retraction. It basically just looks like your shoulders are shrugging up and down while holding the bar. The main thing is to not bend your elbows while doing this. It might take you a little while to get used to doing this. If you're not used to using these muscles, they're quite small and hard to control at first. And you should also do this movement with an overhand grip. For these next two variations, I would first choose to do the chin-up variation, which just means an underhand grip. So either starting with the banded pull-ups or eccentric only reps, which just basically means the coming down portion of the move. You'll just jump to the top of the bar while holding the chin-up position, then let yourself down as slowly as you can. That would be 1 rep. If that feels like it would be maybe just a bit too much for you, I would start with the banded chin-up. The banded chin-up is probably my favorite way to progress with this exercise. So first, you just wrap the band around the bar and then let it down and cradle either your feet or your knees to support you. In this version, use as thick of a band as you'd like while still allowing you to feel control in the entire exercise. So our goal with all of these progressions is to be able to do 5 reps for 5 sets. There's nothing magical about this number, but it's a good starting point to get you to be strong in each of these movements. So for the hang, since we're just hanging there, we basically want to hang for 5 seconds, stop, and then do that again for 5 times total. So for the scapular retraction, the eccentric pull-ups, or the banded pull-ups, your goal, like I said, is 5 reps for 5 sets. But if you can only do 1 rep at a time, that's great. Start with that, and then you're going to add a rep every single session. Hey guys, if you like this video, please smash the like button. It really helps me get my message out to more viewers, and hopefully we'll create some more pull-up beasts out there. If you have any other comments, please leave them below. And until next time,